Hello, it's me, Nia, with Exquisite Floral Design and Events. And today I'm going to do a vlog on a day in the life of a florist. I don't have much to do. Um, I do need to prepare for my August events. I only have two now. So sad. The bad thing is, like when we were coming out of quarantine, I had, I started picking up some events, and now that California may be going back into quarantine, um, like some of my events. So I'm going to try a 4-hour day, because what happens with me, like even right now, it is like 10:30, and I was supposed to start at 10, but then I realized I need to eat before I start. So let me get back on track. I'm going to try a 4-hour work day, and I was going to go from 10 to 2, and I was going to work all the way through. No phone calls from my best friend, because we usually sit on the phone after she gets off of work. And I was just going to work on some stuff. So let's see how that go. I'm going to start at 11, because right now I am cooking breakfast. I've been on this egg diet for about, this is the 9th day. Tomorrow will be the 10th day. And I'm like stuck, you guys. I lose and gain the same weight, and it's like dry. So I'm going to eat my eggs, my boiled eggs, which are boiling right now. Then I'm going to make a list of what I need to complete today. Then I'm going to set up some Zoom calls, because I'm trying to hire, because unfortunately the freelance people that I used to use, they're no longer available. So I got to hire some more people, and plan for my upcoming events, plan for a style shoot. I'll show you pictures of my last style shoot, and what else? So watch me work and eat. Oh, and I need to go get my car washed. And then I also have a Zoom meeting at 4:15. That's just with I'm trying to open up a grocery store. Always trying to do something. This is going to be fun. I'm so excited about that. I should document that with me. Okay. And after that, 4:15, after that, I'm going to stay on that. And then I need to jump onto another Zoom meeting, because I'm like in a group of like 400 people. And it's like a lady who's like a business coach. It's been okay. Like the first month, it took forever to actually get to the second meeting. But it seemed like I paid 3 times. So I don't know. So this is the second meeting, and that's it. So let me go get my eggs. 2. Time to head upstairs. Hi, my house is junky. Look, we repainted. We did the stairs. I got rid of all my furniture. Now I've got to redo that chandelier and clean up. Well, I need to clean this floor. I have not had a maid in months. I want to cry. It's too much a house. Like, when you think about buying a house, I want big, big, big. This is my second house. I want big, big, big. And don't get me wrong, I want bigger than this because we need more rooms. Because when you pass by the pool table area in a few seconds, okay. So when you pass the beautiful pool table area, look, it has become the toy station for my 2 girls. And yes, they have toys on this really, really expensive and beautiful pool table. Anyway, let me get started. Got my coffee and my Cricut machine. And I'm going to get started. Let's see what happens. And can I do this 4 hours straight? Or at least get everything done. Let's see. For my grocery store, and then I also did the Zoom meeting with a bunch of ladies, and now I'm on my way to pick up my babies, which are at their grandma's, because sorry, you can't, it's hard for me to work when my kids are at home. So today is over. Oh, let me give you an update on the 4-hour. Okay, so let me let you know how the 4 hours went. So I did pretty good. I got halfway down my list when I got to planning my style shoot. I kind of got stuck there. Then I started writing a letter, to people who I would like to collaborate with. Because the last style shoot I did, I spent a lot of money just on rentals and flowers. So I'm trying to minimize my cost and get some nice pictures. So that's what I'm doing right now. And so I finished that. So now I just need to post to my Instagram, and what else do I need to do? Post to Instagram, or do my, let me repeat that. Okay, so like I said, I got pretty far. I did not plan my YouTube information or YouTube videos because I'm like, I ran out of content. I don't know what else to do. So I was thinking about maybe starting to order for some companies, like DIY companies that sells flowers, and see how they come and how it looks and if it's good to use for your wedding. So I'm thinking about probably doing some of those. And I think I'm gonna, and I really wanted to like visit event locations, but because of the fact that, you know, we're still kind of in Corona, still that we're in this type of times, I'm not very sure if people are going to be. So I'm done. Oh, I got my girls, and I think this is where I'm going to end my vlog for the day. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And oh, at the bottom, leave a comment on what kind of content you would like to see. What's some new stuff? And I'll see you next time. Bye.